Apple's polishing cloth. Have you heard of this? It's a $19 microfiber cloth. Literally a cloth that you can use to wipe your screens and not damage it. Microfiber cloths have been around for a long time. But of course, Apple being Apple decided to make their own branded microfiber cloth and sell it for $19. If you want to know what you're going to get, this is what you're going to receive in the mail. These images come from Phone Arena. So this is what the packaging is going to look like, and what the little window that shows you the cloth, and you tear it open and there's your cloth, and then finally there's a cloth with a nice little note. These things are currently back ordered by 10 to 12 weeks, meaning that you won't get yours until sometime in January. So do yourself a favor, don't waste money on this. Go to Amazon, look up microfiber cloths. I found a pack of 24 for $13.